So you want to start making money online, but you aren't sure where to start. Well, you're in luck, because in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can start making money online so that you can achieve your financial goals. Making money online is a lot easier than you might think. The trouble is that most of the information that's available doesn't get to the heart of how to make money that can actually change your life. See, it's not just about making a dollar or two here or there, or chasing these get rich quick or trendy online business ideas that other people might be seeing success with but might not work for you. Going down either of these paths will make you lose interest in the process and ultimately lead you to quit trying, believing that it is not possible, or it's possible for other people but just not for you. That isn't true though. We all have the power to make money online, and we can all make consistent money online that can improve our lives. So just how do we do this? The answer is the income magnet method. I've been making money online for over 5 years now, and I've tested numerous different strategies, and I've been able to use the income magnet method to make money online in several different niches, and I've been able to help others to start making money online with the income magnet method as well. So what exactly is the income magnet method? Well, let me show you. So your income magnet lies at the intersection of what you are good at, what you enjoy, and what people will pay for. When you overlap each of these three things, that intersection is your income magnet. First and foremost, we want to start with what you are good at, because if you are good at something, then it means that you are going to be able to deliver value. And being able to deliver value is key, because that's how you're going to be able to generate a high enough demand for what it is you're offering to the people that will pay for it, so that you can actually create that consistent income online. Next, you want to check in and make sure that it's something that you actually enjoy. And the reason that this is important is because this is where sustainability comes into place. If you don't enjoy what you're doing, it'll be a lot more difficult for you to show up and be consistent with it. Therefore, it will be nearly impossible for you to make consistent income with it. And finally, you want to make sure that it's something that people will actually pay for. And that's because if you want to make money online, there have to be people who are willing to give you their money to allow you to do so. The three of these things working together is what generates an income magnet that's going to allow you to attract customers and make consistent income online for the long term. If you were only to focus in on what you are good at and what you enjoy, but you did not have people that were willing to pay for it, then you would have a hobby. If you only worried about what you were good at and what people will pay for, but it wasn't something that you actually enjoyed, then you would end up with burnout. If you focused in on what you enjoy and what people will pay for, but you weren't very good at it, then you would end up with no money, because people are not going to pay you if you're not good at it, because you're not delivering on that value. But when you do incorporate all three of these areas, you end up with an income magnet, which will allow you to make consistent money online for the foreseeable future. The income magnet method is not some groundbreaking strategy, but it works because it's simple, it's based on what people actually want, and it's focused on what is right for you. So if you're ready to finally start making money online, check out my free training, which is designed to help you do exactly that. You can go to this link right here, which is also linked down below in the description. Next, you're going to want to know some ideas of how you can build your income magnets so that you can start making money online. So definitely get subscribed so that you don't miss my next video, which is going to share with you some ideas for your income magnet. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye.